Hey guys, me again. So today I will unbox a master brake pump set. It is a BREMBO set, but is clone lah. So why I plan to change the master brake pump on my bike is because the reservoir on my original master brake pump is made out of plastic. So due to excessive heat or maybe the quality is bad, so now it start to crack and slowen, and I will show the crack when I install this pump lah. So let's get started. And this pump is arrived 1 month ago I think, but I'm been busy for my study, so until now I just got time to review it. So it come with the extra brake reservoir, the bigger one, and here is the hose and the clamp and this is what I'm so not sure, maybe I will tell you later. And here is the extra bottle, the reservoir. This is the bigger one. Yeah, it's quite nice, the quality. And now to the main master brake pump. As you can see, this is the smaller bottle from the kit. This is the extra one. It's free. It's because this costs 86 ringgit, right? So for the normal, like the kit only with this bottle is around 75 ringgit. And now let's open the master brake pump. This is, I think this is the clutch level lah. It's not a hydraulic, just a normal one. So it's quite nice lah for the price. Only 86 ringgit, right? So what to expect? So cheap. And now this is the master brake pump, is not mistaken. So oh yeah, this is nice, man. And it is adjustable, so you can adjust it far or near to your finger, and it is foldable. But I think you need to loosen this screw to adjust to fold it. And this is the place where you can install the brake hose to connect the reservoir. So it will be like that. Install this, something like that, and install it to the reservoir. I plan to change the level only when I buy the bike last, but it's not a common bike, so I can't find the level also. So this is a good upgrade lah for my bike. It look very nice. After install, it will be something like that. Full lama. And the build quality is okay. As you can see, the flag is coming off. I think I will need to glue it properly. If not, it will fly out. The quality is acceptable lah, but it's still not very good. The thread also not very smooth, but it's okay, acceptable lah. The clone will have some grade lah, like the AA one is the best one, but it costs around 200 to 300 something. This is the cheapest one I can find lah. So, and the big bottle is quite nice. This is the nicest part on the packaging lah. Like you can see the BREMBO brand. I don't know you can see or not. Maybe like that you can see it. The bottle is quite big because oh my god, like this, it will be so huge. And I think that's all lah for the review. Because I haven't installed it, I cannot give any opinion lah. Only on the build quality is okay. Like here is not very smooth. I don't know you can see or not. It's not very smooth lah. Right here. You can see or not? I don't know. Because my camera is not very good. Like here, you will have the marks when they connect it. And here is to release the bubble. So you can do it on the caliper or here, both sides. So it's better lah. When you pump it, is quite smooth compared to mine, because mine is this is a vertical, right? So mine is a horizontal pump, so not nice than this lah. With this setup, you need something like this. It is a hydraulic brake switch, so it will get the signal from the hydraulic fluid. So it will install to here. Firstly, you put the brake line into here and screw it on. It will be something like that. So it will get the signal when you brake, so the tail light will light up. Yeah, so that's all for the video.